Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrifex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Tesla stock surged 7.4% last Friday, closing at $395.94, driven by investor optimism around potential Fed rate cuts and renewed interest in Tesla's robotics and autonomous driving prospects. The Australian stock market index fell to around $8,800 on Monday, reversing gains from the previous session, as notable losses in banking and gold stocks weighed on the index. Gold hovered around $3,645 per ounce on Monday, near record highs, as investors awaited a crucial U.S. Federal Reserve policy decision later this week. The Canadian dollar traded around 1.38 per USD, after weaker domestic labor and inflation prints fueled growing market confidence that the Bank of Canada will soon begin easing. Bitcoin traded above $116,000 this Monday, increasing by 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin gained 1.5%. Let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 9 a.m., the euro area will publish its July trade balance, after reporting a €7 billion surplus in June. At 12:30 p.m., the New York Manufacturing Index is expected to decline, following a reading of 11.9 in August. Now, a quick preview of tomorrow's major releases. At 6 a.m., the UK will announce its July unemployment rate, after posting 4.7% in June. At 12:30 p.m., Canada's annual inflation rate is projected to rise, up from 1.7% in July. Also at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release August retail sales data, following a 0.5% increase in July. And don't miss Wednesday's headline event. At 6 p.m., the Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision, widely expected to include a rate cut in response to softening labor market data.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrifex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.